Feeling like your pension is just sitting there? Maybe you're not getting the returns you hoped for, or maybe you're tired of confusing paperwork and high fees. Whatever the reason, you've decided it's time for a change. You've heard about Nutmeg, and you're wondering, how do I actually move my money over there? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're breaking down the simple, step-by-step process of transferring your existing pension to Nutmeg's award-winning platform. First things first, let's talk about why people are making this move. Nutmeg offers a range of investment styles, from fully managed portfolios to fixed allocation options, all with transparent fees and easy-to-use digital tools. Plus, their focus on socially responsible investing is a big draw for many people today. So, it's not just about a better return, it's about control and alignment with your values. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. The process is surprisingly straightforward. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you do anything else, you'll need the details of your existing pension provider. This includes the name of the provider, your policy number, and the estimated value of your pot. Have this ready to go, as it will save you a lot of time later. Step 2. Create your Nutmeg account. If you don't already have one, head to the Nutmeg website or download their app. You'll go through their simple sign-up process, answering a few questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. This helps them recommend the right portfolio for you. You'll also need to decide which type of pension you want to open, a standard pension, a lifetime ISA, if you're eligible, or a self-invested personal pension, SIPP. For most people, a standard pension or SIPP will be the right choice. Step 3. Initiate the transfer. This is where the magic happens. Once your Nutmeg pension account is open, you'll see an option to transfer an existing pension. You'll input the information you gathered in Step 1. Nutmeg takes it from there. They handle all the communication with your old provider, which means you don't have to fill out a bunch of confusing forms or make endless phone calls. They'll request the transfer of funds directly from your old provider to your new Nutmeg account. Step 4. Wait for the transfer to complete. This is the part that requires a little patience. The transfer can take anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, sometimes a little longer, depending on your old provider. Nutmeg keeps you updated throughout the process, so you're never left in the dark. Once the money arrives, it will be invested according to the portfolio you chose. Step 5. Review and relax. Once your money is in your new Nutmeg pension, you can log in any time to see how your investments are performing. You'll have a clear, real-time view of your portfolio, and you can easily make changes or add more money whenever you like. You've now taken control of your retirement savings, all from the palm of your hand. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.